laser grid alignment confirmed on the bow section.
Copy that. Moving to starboard scanning point 3.
All stations report green. Initiate primary tension sequence. Synchronize crane power. Stabilize descent.
Pressure levels increasing on hull section gamma.
Acknowledged. Counterbalance at 30 degrees.
Generations.
Today, we celebrate the impossible, the miracle of the Titanic restored.
From the height of her glory, the journey ended tragically in the deep ocean.
Through intense salvage and science.
We are live in the control room as the Titanic sails once more. An unbelievable achievement in engineering and historical resurrection.
All systems nominal.